everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel COGNWARE. I think you all are excited, isn't it? So let's take a brief idea about our channel. I am Rumana with you with our special expert with us. Please welcome Ani.
Hello everyone, I am Ani. In this YouTube channel, we are going to provide you some technological related stuffs. We will be covering web designing using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. We will also be providing you some installations of software which are needed for you. Then we will be providing you some interesting tips and tricks on ethical hacking. As you guys are always aware of buying technological gadgets and got confused what to buy and what to not, so we have taken steps on reviewing these technological gadgets which will be beneficial for you to buy them.
Lastly and most importantly, we will cover the top 10 technical news on a weekly basis.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो ज़रूर लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर कीजिए।
और अगर आप इन वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन चाहते हैं तो ज़रूर हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि जब भी कोई नया अपडेट मिले आप लोगों को वो नोटिफिकेशन के द्वारा मिल जाए।